In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Pinterest graphic using Canva. Canva is a free online tool that you can use to create designs for your website. Once you've created an account in Canva, here is your kind of the overall home screen. There are a couple options when it comes to creating a pin in Canva. You can either create one from scratch or you can use a template. To create a pin from scratch, you'll go ahead and click on Create a Design. You can scroll down and check out one of their suggested sizes. You can either type in Pinterest in the search bar here, or you even have the option to use custom dimensions. So for Pinterest, the ideal size is 1000 by 1500 pixels. And then when you enter that in, you'll just hit Create Design. In this case, we are going to use a template. What's nice about Canva is they already have some templates that you can choose from. So here on the left-hand side, you're going to go ahead and select Templates. And then you can type in, you can choose to browse by category here, or you could just type in Pinterest. And then you can select Pinterest pins. And then from here, you can scroll through and pick any template design that you would like to start with. What's nice about templates is it gives you a quick place to start off from. So once you use a template, and you can easily change out the text, the picture, the colors, and then you have a quick Pinterest pin created. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a pin using one of my templates that I've designed. So I put together just this pin productivity power pack. It includes 20 pre-designed Canva Pinterest template. With my templates, when you sign up for the templates, you'll see this screen here, and then you can go ahead and click on to use a template. And it will pull up a copy of the template in your Canva account. So with this, with my Pin Productivity Power Pack, I have 20 pre-designed Canva templates for you. So when you first, one fun feature about Canva, when you kind of first open this to kind of see which pin template you want to use, you can click down here on the Page Manager. And it will pull up just some small thumbnails of the different pages included in this design. So you can kind of scroll through and see if there's a particular design that you want to use for your Pinterest pin. So it's kind of a nice feature, nice way to quickly find the one that you want to use. So for this one, let's pick this pin here, and then you deselect that one, and then you can hit the X arrow to exit Page Manager, and you'll be taken to that pin. And so what's nice about Canva and using a template is, like I said, you can make it your own. So the first thing, obviously, I would do is either you can add in your image or change your text. So let's add an image into our design here. So with Canva, you can look under the photos. They do have some free photos with the Pro plan. They have more options for photos. And so for this one, let's do, the pin is going to be about how to grow tomatoes. And so searching here for tomatoes. I can spell it, and then it will pull up just various images that Canva has available here. So I will pick this one since it's nice and colorful. And then what you'll notice is Canvas uses these guides or these grids that you can easily drag in your image. If you ever want to just kind of delete that image or get rid of the grid, you can here using the delete image to take it out. And then, like I said, when you have an image, you can just kind of drag it in, hover it over the grid, and it will quickly pull it up there. So the next step would be to change out your text. So in this case, we are doing how to grow tomatoes. So let's change out the text here. In this case, let's make this a lowercase g. And then with the text, you can resize it really easily. And then you can change out the color to meet your brand needs. So let's choose, what you'll notice here, this fun little feature here, photo color. So Canva will take the picture that you have and it will populate some suggested colors based on what's in your image. So let's use a green here. And then I will change out our next text, how to grow tomatoes. So in this one, I'm going to change out this text. I don't love the way that G is, so let's pick another. And then let's, there's a lot of different text features here. Canva makes it easy to transition from lowercase to uppercase, which is really, really nice feature to have. And then we'll center those two. And then the next step, final step, would be to change out your brand name here. So this is a fictional, I do not have a gardening bag, so we'll just put grow food. And then I will change out the color here to white so we can see it better, and then make it maybe a little bit larger. When creating pins for Pinterest, it's always a good idea to brand your pins. Make sure you have your blog name on the pin so people can know that it's coming from you. And then once your design is complete, you can download it. But what's nice with this template pack is you can design multiple pins at once and then choose to download them together. And so to download, you're going to hit this download arrow here, and then you can choose your file size. I'd either go with PNG or JPEG, and then you can select the specific page in which you want to download. Select on that page or pages if you have multiple, and then you can click the download button. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in how to quickly create a Pinterest image using Canva. Just to kind of show you again, for this tutorial I was using my Pin Productivity Power Pack. Like I said, it includes 20 pre-designed templates for Canva. And then there's a couple little bonuses for it here. With it included is I have my Easy Graphics Masterclass, where it's video tutorials about how to use the ins and outs of Canva to create graphics for your blog. The second bonus here is the brand kit color guide. I put together 17 different kind of color combinations and different font combinations that you can use within Canva. So it's a nice little resource to use when you're designing in Canva. And then the final bonus here is my pin headlines made easy. It includes 121 different headline ideas that you can use when creating Pinterest graphics for your blog. So go ahead and check that out. I'll leave a link for this Pin Productivity Power Pack in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more fun tips on how to use Pinterest for your blog.